Now, new to Silverstone this weekend, we have a partnership between iRacing and Cosworth. To tell us more is Harry Spence. We can see, Harry, someone behind us on the sim. We can see screens, loads of data. What's going on?
Yeah. So effectively, we've got a brand new partnership with iRacing where we're able to live stream the data directly from a sim environment straight in to our Pi Toolbox. Now, Pi Toolbox, in essence, is it's data analysis software that you can view all of your data in dynamically. It's the same software that the teams use when they finish the races, finish practice sessions, and then they go back into it some more to see where they can find time.
So this chap, for example, once he jumps off the sim, he can quickly have a look and analyse, where he's losing time, where he's gaining time, and actually, really improve on his lap.
Yeah, exactly that. So we've already done a little bit of live assessment a minute ago, where we're able to see some slightly later braking zones and some less pressure on the brakes. So we can actually feed that back immediately while he's still on the sim. But when we offload the data, we're then able to dive into it a bit more detail with the driver, with the sim racer, and then actually advise where more time can be found.
And you've had some of the touring car racers on here, haven't you, already?
Yeah, we have. It was quite exciting yesterday. We had a few drivers come along, all competing against each other. We've got a few very close lap times.
What can you tell us?
I'm not sure I should ever break who was the fastest driver. I'll leave them to announce it on their socials. But yeah, it was very close between them all.
Brilliant. Another level of competition for these guys to get involved in. Thank you so much. And if you're here, come and get involved. Anyone can come and have a go on the sim.
Yeah, anyone can come along. We're in Garage 4 at Silverstone. Everybody can download it as well. It's completely free. So you'll be able to download iRacing plug-in for Toolbox directly from the iRacing website and Cosworth website.
Nice. Thank you very much.